Hey guys, what's up? So today I am finally going to unbox all of these packages that I've just been stockpiling up. So I have these here. Oh, and I have some stuff here too. Yeah, I'm gonna unbox all of that stuff today. I've just been like super busy doing honestly nothing. I've just been like not wanting to open them. I've also been wanting to film it. So yeah, we're gonna unbox everything. I'll show you guys what I got and we can open it all and have fun opening everything together. But like I've mentioned, I'm moving soon. So I'm just like, crap, I need to go through all this stuff. So I'm like going through all my stuff and getting rid of stuff I just don't want anymore. I'm trying to sell stuff. Like the other day, I sold my piano. Basically, I thought I was going to pick up piano again and it just sat here and I just stared at it every day and never really used it. I used it like 3 times maybe. So I was like, I'm just gonna sell that, get rid of it. So it's one less thing to move and one less thing to try to find a place for in my new apartment, which I'm just so excited about, guys. I'm so excited and ready to move. I've only been in this apartment right now for a little over 7 months, and yeah, I'm just so excited to finally be in like a new place, an area I actually enjoy and like a lot more than where I am now. But yeah, it's gonna be good. So I'm really excited. So like I said, I'm just going through all my stuff, getting rid of stuff, like going through all my clothes and getting rid of so many clothes that I just don't wear. Just trying to get rid of things and yeah, just kind of start fresh in my next apartment. I'm just so excited. But anyway, let's get to unboxing. Okay, here's some of it. Here is more of it. And here is the rest of it. Okay, so what should we start with? Let's start with something I'm super freaking excited about and like literally can't wait to open. This has been sitting by my front door for over 2 weeks now and I haven't opened it, guys. All because I wanted to share. I need scissors, I think. Guys, my mom's calling me. Okay, so hold on. Okay guys, I'm back. I was just gone for like over an hour. I was on a super long phone call. But I'm back and I made myself a coffee and yeah, it's 4 o'clock and I'm just tired and I have to go out to a dinner tonight, so I just like need energy and life in me. But anyways, what were we doing? We were opening this package from Dieux, I think is how you pronounce the brand. But this is a package I'm super excited about. I've been wanting to open this and I just haven't. I've also been trying to use up other products, my new thing. Okay, now my camera just died, guys. It's just never ending over here, but I'm finally gonna sit down and hopefully not get distracted by anything else. But as I was saying, I got new skincare stuff, but I'm trying this thing where I finish my other skincare before I open my new skincare. So I'm like at the end of my other moisturizer that I just want to get rid of because I don't really like it. But I don't want to throw it away because I feel like that's a waste. But anyway, so that's why this has been sitting around for so long, because I know once I open it, I'm going to want to try it. And yeah, anyway, enough. So this is from the brand Dieux. It's spelled like this. So I got their moisturizer called Instant Angel. It's a lipid-rich moisturizer. I actually just came across this skincare brand like not too long ago at all. And it seems very clean. It just seems like everything I would want in face products, like moisturizers and serums and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just super happy that I came across this brand randomly. I don't remember how. Oh, I saw this on someone's Instagram story and they said it was a really good moisturizer and I was like, I'm gonna look that up. And then when I looked it up, I realized it had all the ingredients I was looking for in a moisturizer. I really liked that it was clean products, fragrance free, and all of that stuff. So yeah, I got their Instant Angel moisturizer, so I'm really excited to try this out and I'll let you guys know when I try it out. I'll let you guys know how I like it and how it works. I'm someone who has super dry skin usually and it's not that smooth. I found ways to make it a lot smoother. Like I thought I was always destined for like textured skin, but I have found ways to make my skin feel and look a lot smoother. So if you guys want a video on that, I'll do one, because it's something I wish I knew like years ago, and I just started doing it, and yeah, whatever. I'll let you guys in on that secret sometime in the future. But okay, so then I got something called Deliverance, and it's known as their Trinity Serum, and this is just for, I already forget. Oh, this has peptides in it and niacinamide, which I've heard are two amazing products for your skin and for like anti-aging. This also has CBD complex in it, which I think is awesome because that stuff is like super soothing for skin. And ever since I moved to the desert, I've had very sensitive skin, which is new for me. So yeah, I wanted to try this out. It says Deliverance addresses 3 primary skin concerns: irritation, the appearance of fine lines, and tone. So peptides are really good for anti-aging. It's something I've been looking for in skincare. It's just something I think everyone should honestly start incorporating in their skincare, is making sure that their moisturizer or serum or something has peptides in it. This is so good, guys. I love making lattes at home. It's just like a whole nother level of good. Like, you literally get to make your coffee the way you want it to taste. Oh, also, sorry ADD, but this is that clip that I showed you guys in the last clip or in one of my previous clips. But yeah, it's really, really cute and I really like it. So I don't know. Well, we're still playing with that other business idea because like I don't know if I'll ever do it, but it's a fun idea and I don't know, I kind of want to, so I might. But anyway, yeah, I'm just really excited to try this, and I'll let you guys know if these products are good, if they change my face in any way, and what I think about them. I also like how basic they look. Like, they're super chic and not super girly or not like super fruity or like anything, you know what I mean? Like, I just like really nice, basic, clean packaging like this. I'm someone who likes the experience of using products as well as like how they actually work on my face. So yeah, marketing really sways me in my purchasing decisions. But anyway, okay, so I have 2 bigger Abercrombie orders here, and I'm actually going to do that in a separate video. I want to do like a separate Abercrombie & Fitch try-on haul video because I feel like it might take up a lot of time. So that'll be in a video either right before or right after this one comes out. So be on the lookout for that, because yeah, I love Abercrombie & Fitch. I've always loved them. I just love how they have like basic pieces and everything. So yeah, that'll be in a separate video. And then this, I think this is actually really boring, but this is just toothpaste. But it's good toothpaste. So this is, if you've ever heard of it, it's the brand of Bo+Tee. This is their mint flavored toothpaste. The reason I love this stuff is because it's a nanohydroxyapatite. Nanohydroxyapatite. I don't know how to say that word. But basically this stuff helps like remineralize your teeth, and it's supposed to help rebuild your teeth. Something along those lines. I don't know exactly, so don't quote me on it, but it's supposed to basically help your teeth not to like break down, and it's supposed to give, like, it's a mineral that's naturally found in your teeth, and most toothpastes don't have that ingredient in it, but these toothpastes do have that ingredient. So yeah, I don't know, you can do your own research and see what I'm talking about, but this stuff is really good. I love it. I love the flavor. I have the mint one. I've never tried their other flavors because I'm someone who, like, when I brush my teeth, I want it to be minty, and their other flavors are random and not minty, so I don't know. I've only tried this one, but I do really like it. It's about $10 a tube, maybe a little more, but for me, I feel like it's worth it. It's natural. You're literally like fixing your teeth or something, or like rebuilding, giving your teeth what they actually need and not just cleaning them. So yeah, the reason I bought this is because I was having a lot of sensitivity and I was scared because I haven't been to the dentist in like a couple years and I'm just putting it off as long as I can. But I was scared that I was getting a cavity, so I wanted to get something to like fix that cavity, because you can fix your cavities, guys. That's something that they don't want you to know, but you can. So a little lesson for y'all. Anyway, okay, so moving on, let's do, I have a bunch of Aerie stuff. Let's do Bo+Tee. So I'm really freaking excited to open this, guys. I've been wanting to order a Bo+Tee workout set for like over a year now, for a long time, ever since I was aware of their brand, and I just never did it. It's a brand based in the UK, So it ships from the UK, so you have to pay for shipping, and for some reason, if I have to pay for shipping on something, I'm just like not interested in it. But I have been eyeing this for over a year now, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. Like, why is $5 or $10 shipping holding me back from getting something I really want? So yeah, I'm excited to open this. Packaging, super fun, look at that, we love. If you don't know Bo+Tee, look them up. It's kind of similar to Set Active, but like better in my opinion, but it's like kind of that vibe, if you know what I mean. So I got a black set, I got their leggings, and I got this. Oh, these are tiny. Wow, these are really small. I got the size extra small. I'm wondering if I should have went up a size, but we'll see. I'm gonna try these on and then throw the clip up of me trying them on. But I got I don't even know, it doesn't even say, guys. It doesn't even say what it's called. I don't know the name of the set that it is that I ordered, but I'll throw it up on the screen. But these are the leggings. They're super cute. I love how they have the branding like right on the front. I think that's really cute. And this is new. They're like the cursive look. Usually it's like really bold, kind of like this. But I really liked this nice like delicate look. So these are actually super thick, guys, like really thick. I don't know if I'm gonna love these, if I'm being 100% honest. Interesting material I've never really felt in a workout piece before. So I'm really excited to try that. And then I also got their one shoulder crop top type deal. I love the one shoulder look, and I honestly only have like one other thing that's like a one shoulder, but I'm like obsessed with that look. And it has the same branding detailing as the leggings do, so it like matches up and looks really cute together. And then I got this, and yeah, an extra small, which it kind of looks big. So I don't know, we'll try that on and see what it looks like, but I'm really excited for that. And then I guess I can do Target now, and then we'll do Aerie, and I'll try everything on that I bought at Aerie. But okay, Target. So I made an order online. I saw these vases, so there's this one and then the big one. I saw these vases in Lauren Elizabeth's video, and I thought they were so adorable and so cute and like to die for. So I wanted them myself. So I got the big, huge one. This is actually pretty heavy, but I got it to put next to the small one. Even though now that I'm looking at it, I think I should have got the medium one and not the small one. But we'll see, because I wanted to put it, when I move, I want to put it on my coffee table and put cute like white flowers in it, because that's what Lauren had and it looked so freaking cute. And right away I was like, that is the vibe. If you guys have heard in the past, I've said that I want my vibe of my new place to be a lot more classy. I want it to be modern, and I don't really love this like, I just want it to be more like elevated, because I feel like that is the look that I am really liking right now. So I thought these were perfect because they're black, glass, and I feel like they would look really, really cute in my new place. We'll play around and see size-wise what one I should keep. Now that I'm looking at it, actually I'm wondering if I should get rid of this one and get the medium one. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I just really like those a lot. And then, oh, super boring, and I already opened these because I was on my period the other day. But just super boring. I needed new tampons and pads, and these are the tampons. And these are the, liners, I mean. These are the liners I use. So I just got more of that stuff. Really not fun, but figured I'd show you guys. Or maybe it is fun, maybe it is interesting. I get these brands because they're the ones that don't have toxic fragrance in their tampons and stuff that you literally put inside of you. And they are also organic cotton. So yeah, I just obviously want to avoid putting weird chemicals inside of me, so I get those. And then lastly, I also have already used these because, like I said, I've had these packages just sitting for a while and I couldn't wait because I'm obsessed with candles. I really love this scent. It's a Yankee candle. I like that it's blue. It's really pretty. It's just the warm Luxe Cashmere scent, and it smells really, really good. It's like a sweet, higher end sweet smell, if that makes sense. Like, it's not like your normal everyday like vanilla scent. It's a nice, I don't really know how to explain it, but if you know this scent, you know what I'm trying to explain. And then this is a candle that apparently smells exactly like, I forget the name, so I'm gonna look it up to make sure I say the right one. So this is Target Studio meeee collection. And this candle is supposed to be a dupe for the Le Labo candle. Le Labo Santal 26. Although some people were saying it's the same as Santal 33. So I don't know which one it actually is, 33 or 26, but that's what this is a dupe for like half the price. And to me, it smells really good. It smells kind of like outdoorsy, but like a rich outdoors. Like that's literally what this smells like to me. It's not my favorite scent, but I don't hate it, but I'm not obsessed with it. But I wanted to try it out because like apparently it's everyone's favorite candle right now. So yeah, it does smell really nice. It's just not, I feel like for candles and stuff like that, I usually gravitate more towards like the sweeter scents, and this is just more a scent. I don't know how to explain it. Not even floral, like I don't know what this is, but yeah, I do really like it. I just probably wouldn't purchase it again, but maybe like I got this for only 12 bucks, which I thought was super good, when the original was like insane amount. It's a lot of money for a candle. So if you can get a dupe that smells the same for way cheaper, like why not? Okay, and then that is all Target. So lastly for this video, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Aerie. So the first thing is actually what I'm wearing, and I got it in multiple sizes just because I didn't know what size would fit me best. This one is an extra small. Yeah, so this one's the extra small. I got it in a small too. To me, honestly, they fit really similar. Like I couldn't tell the difference when I put both on. So I'm just going with the extra small. And then I got the exact same thing, but in this tan color. I've decided I don't love how this color looks on me. So I think I'm actually going to return these. But it's the exact same thing, but in tan. Yeah, it just looks like that. These are like really soft, like super soft. They come with padding, but you can take out the padding. The straps aren't adjustable or anything, but I feel like they fit fine. This is what the back looks like. It's cute, it like crosses in the back. But I got these when they were having a sale, so I got them for like $20, the regular 30 bucks. Yeah, super cute. And Aerie literally always has sales. You can literally go on their website and they're always having a sale. And then, oh, I also ordered these, just like super basic black sports bralette type thing. This is a lot of a thinner material than this one, but they're both super soft. Like this is so soft. Again, I'll try it on for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Super basic. I just need basic tops. And I love Aerie for basic tops because they're affordable and super soft and comfortable. And yeah, I've just always enjoyed a lot of their basics. And I think that is all, actually. I think all I have left is Abercrombie, but like I said, I'm going to do that in a different video. But yeah, okay, so that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for, I don't know, commenting, for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I'm gonna go and finish getting ready because I have a dinner tonight and I want to look cute for it. And yeah, I'm gonna go. That's the end of this video. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night, and I will see you in my next video.